I tried using these lights to light up my backyard, and it's nice looking, but it doesn't light up the backyard very much. I checked with my brother to see how he resolved this challenge, and here's his solution.
Hey Monty, thank you for the challenge. Now, as you can see, I do have a very large backyard. My kids don't want to go out and play when it's dark outside. So I'm going to accept your challenge and see what I can do to fix this issue. I don't want to have to run power. I don't want to have to worry about light switches, getting inspections, permits, all that. I'm going to go solar so I can just install it, plug and play. So on Amazon, I found some. They're okay, but I found this website called dominatorhoop.com, and they sell a whole bunch of sports equipment. They have, I think, one of the best solar lights you can find. 12-hour runtime, and it charges in an 8-hour day. Lights up 40 by 50 feet. That's huge. I'm gonna get 2 of these. I'm gonna put on both sides of my awning to light up the yard from one side so I can watch my kids as they play. It comes with a remote, and it has motion sensors. Turns on automatically when it senses motion, or you can set it for different times. So wait for the end of the video to see if we're able to get any kind of discounts. Bring it on, brothers.
All right, so these are the mounts. It has 4 mounting screws. So they normally sell light poles that are 16 feet tall, all out of aluminum, super beautiful. I don't need those at the moment, so I was able to get these mounts. You mount this to the roof, you put the solar light on, and then you're gonna tighten all these screws until it's tight. I put this 2x6 in, glued it in against the top board, and I've screwed it in on both sides. All right. So I'm gonna make sure I measure both sides so it's parallel. I'm gonna go ahead and mark these holes as straight up and down as I can and do a circle. There it is, 5/16. Just fits right in there. Great. I need to make sure that this is not gonna leak. Lap sealant, self-leveling sealant. First, a circle around each hole, around the edge and around the inner circle. Push it down into place. A big, large flange washer, put it up into place. I'm gonna put the lock washer and then the nut. I'm going to put another bead around the edges and around the heads to completely encase them in the sealant. All right, here you go. That nice and bright, basically the whole yard with the light on. This is with, this is without.
Wow, that worked really well. I've got some more good news. If you want these lights as well, you can get a 10% discount using our code. Check the link in the description below. Also, if you like this video, check out this one next. And you can also subscribe for more.
Say hi.
Hi.
Well, it looks like the camera's not gonna let me switch it around, so I'm gonna change the view. Bring it on.